Kate Schwanke and welcome back to my channel for a fun new review. I am super excited because today I am reviewing the JuJuBe Bestie bag. This is their newest style bag. It is basically a size in between the mini BFF and the BFF, and I am loving it. It is just the right size for me. It holds a ton of my stuff, like more than I would normally carry. I packed into this bag, but I did want to show you guys all of what you can fit in here. I was very pleasantly surprised with how much it can hold. Now this particular bag in this color, this is the brand new JuJuBe Donutella Sweet Shop 2.0. This one is not available on the website anymore, but I am sure that JuJuBe is going to be making a lot more of the Bestie bag because it was so popular. So this video is basically just for anybody who is looking into the Bestie in general, because this is how you can pack it up. But I am really obsessed with this print. If you guys have been around my channel for any period of time, you know that Donutella Sweet Shop is my top favorite JuJuBe print of all time. And so when I saw this was coming back out, I was so excited. I just had to have as much as I could get, which wasn't too much because this was a very limited edition print. But JuJuBe was so sweet and they sent this bag over to me to share with you guys, and I'm very excited because I just love it. So let's go ahead and bring out the mini BFF and the BFF to show you guys the size differences real quick. Okay, you guys, here is the lineup. All the way over here, you have the JuJuBe mini BFF, the Bestie in the middle, and the BFF. As you can see, these two sizes really aren't, they don't seem like they're too much different, but this one actually holds a ton more. I was so surprised. And at some point I would actually like to even see a size in between the BFF and the Bestie, because I think that would be like my ideal bag. But I did want to just show you guys the size differences if you are looking into this bag. So let's go ahead and move on to my review and packing portion of this video. So let's go over the features of the bag real quick. So on the very front here, you have a single zipper pocket. And I did want to show you guys because this was so cute. I just love the little Donutella charm. She is so cute on this bag, you guys. You do have one character zipper pull charm on that very front pocket there. You have a double zipper opening on this pocket, and I like to keep my pulls to the right of the tag just because this tag is so pretty. I do not want to get it scratched up. I am just obsessed with this color. Look at this, you guys. I love that JuJuBe is doing this now. It is so pretty to me. I love that so much. So classy looking. But these zipper pulls are double-sided. On one side you have the Tokidoki JuJuBe, and on the other side you have a donut. It is so cute. It's on both of those that way. This bag does have a grab handle on top, which is very much like the mini BFF. In fact, this bag overall feels like it's just a step up from the mini BFF. Quality-wise, size-wise, features, and everything. I feel like it's just a step up from that. You do not have any side pockets on the sides. I would have loved to have seen that. Maybe they will in the future, you never know. On the back here, as you guys saw in the very first part of this video, you can wear this bag over the shoulder, crossbody and backpack style with the D-rings that you have here and the little seatbelt strap that they include with this bag. You have a nice pocket on the back here. As you can see, I have my planner back there and it fits perfect. I love that. One thing I did want to mention, if you do wear this bag as a backpack, it slides like crazy. Now there is a remedy to that. You can anchor your strap at the top, and I can show you guys that real quick. It's very simple, but I suggest if you are going to do this, that is just the way you decide to keep it, because otherwise it's gonna be a pain to undo each time. You're gonna lengthen your strap as much as you need it to be lengthened. Make sure these are even. Take your double through here, go through here, grab your straps, pull them through, and pull through like that. So this is basically what it will look like. But that will just anchor your strap at the top there. I'm sure there's a prettier way you can do it. I just wanted to show you guys real quick that this is probably the way you would want to do it if you were to wear this as a backpack. It's just going to make your life a little bit less stressful and easier for sure. So there you go, super easy. But that is the outside of the bag. Let's go ahead and jump into the packing portion. Like I said, I have a ton in here. I was so excited to see how much I could actually put in here. So let's go. In the very front pocket here, I'm not even gonna call this a mommy pocket, but this is a good place to keep your wallet and your keys and things. So in here, I do have my keys in the very front. There is a mesh pocket in here with elastic, which I was so happy to see. A small set piece fits perfectly in there. In this small set piece, this is the new Grape Chromatics color. I love it. It looks great with this print. And if you guys want to shop any of the new chromatics or any JuJuBe with me, I would love that. I will link you down below to my affiliate link. You can shop through that anytime, and I really appreciate when you guys do. So in here, I just have a hair tie. It's like a scrunchie. And then I have my mask because I still have to take that on post and things when I go. But that is the very front pocket there. It's a good size. I was really happy to see that. And you can definitely, like I said, fit your phone. You can fit your wallet in there. It's a generously sized pocket. On the very back of the bag, as I mentioned, I do have my planner. And you may be thinking, well, wouldn't that be uncomfortable on your back with all these rings? But no, actually the way the bag hangs on your body, that doesn't touch your back. The bottom part more touches your back than the top part. So whatever you want to put back here, you can. As you can see, my Happy Planner mini planner is a perfect fit back there. Super easy to take in and out. I love it. Great fit. All right, let's go on to the inside. Super easy to open. I did want to show you guys because originally I wasn't going to put this in here, but I was like, there might be people who are like me and might want to have water with them, even in a bag this small. And guess what? I was able to fit my Swell Traveler bottle in here. I was so stoked about that. I did not think it was gonna fit, but it does. And it's not even that heavy of a bag, so that was great. So I'm gonna go through the very front pocket here first. As you guys can see, you have a mesh elastic front pocket here. This is where I decided to put my phone. So I have an iPhone 11 Max Pro in this very front pocket here. Let's flip it back around. This is how I have the rest packed up. Over here I have my Swell Traveler bottle. This is a 12-ounce Swell bottle. Fits great in there. Next to that I have my headband. This is like an ear muffler that I found is so cute. It's like this really pretty blush color. I got it at Miss Lucille's. If you guys know about Miss Lucille from following me on Instagram, then you know. But I woke up this morning and it was 26 degrees out. I definitely need this now. Next to that, these two bags I had standing up over here. On this side, I have my Donutella Sweet Shop small set piece. This is from the first release. This is like one of those perma stash pieces. I love it. So in here, I just have a few things for myself. I have a mirror, chapstick, hand cream, lip gloss, and a folding mirror hairbrush down in there. And I get into that thing like daily, so that's like has to be with me all the time. This is the brand new all set small piece. I love it. This is from the Beyond collection. I believe that these are still available. They came in 3 colors, so pretty. I just love the fabric that they use for this. It's a vegan leather. So in here, I'm actually using this as my wallet. So I have my vaccination card in there, a couple of random cards that I don't know what to do with yet. And then I have my Beyond Collection coffee break wallet. I love it. My favorite wallet for sure. And it just fits right in here. And that way I can just keep it in there and grab it whenever I need it. So that is what the inside looks like. You can see that you do have a zipper pocket in the very back, right here. And in there I do have a pack of tissues. My allergies have been kicking in, and I definitely need these around. I did want to mention, for those who may be curious, you can definitely fit a large set piece in here and the medium set pieces as well. So you might only be able to do like 1 large and 1 medium or 2 mediums, but you can make it work. This is also a great place to store diapers and wipes and things if you want to use this as a very quick trip bag for babies. And as you saw, because I'm able to fit this bottle in here, this is bigger than a normal baby bottle, you could definitely fit some of those short bottles in here, the short and wide ones. So, I mean, this is a great bag for quick trips and things. So that is all that I have in my bestie bag, you guys. I hope you loved this video and found it helpful. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. And I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. My link is always active. I will leave that down in the description below for you. Thanks for watching.